To produce and sell dragee candies, you'll need to follow a systematic process that involves several stages, from preparing the core ingredients to coating and packaging. Here's a basic outline of the production process. Gather all the necessary ingredients, which typically include a core ingredient, such as nuts, dried fruits, or chocolate centers, sugar syrup, flavorings, and any additional coatings, such as chocolate or colored sugar. Start by coating the core ingredients with a thin layer of sugar syrup. This can be done in a rotating drum or coating pan. Gradually add layers of syrup, allowing each layer to dry before adding the next one. This process builds up the candy shell around the core. Once the desired thickness of the candy shell is achieved, apply a final coating to seal the candies and give them a glossy finish. This final coating can be a layer of chocolate, confectioner's glaze, or colored sugar, depending on the desired appearance and flavor profile. Allow the coated candies to dry thoroughly to set the outer shell and prevent sticking. Depending on the size and composition of the candies, drying times may vary. It can take several hours to overnight for the candies to fully dry. Once the candies are dry and inspected, package them in suitable containers. Consider using airtight packaging to preserve freshness and prevent moisture absorption. Label the packaging with product information, including ingredients, expiration date, and any allergy warnings. Understand your target market, including demographics, preferences, and buying behaviors. Determine the demand for dragee candies in your area or target market. Create or source a high-quality recipe for dragee candies. Experiment with different flavors, coatings, and ingredients to differentiate your product and appeal to your target market. Throughout the production process, it's essential to maintain strict hygiene standards, monitor temperature and humidity levels, and follow food safety regulations to ensure the quality and safety of the dragee candies. Additionally, continually assess and refine your production process to optimize efficiency and consistency. Good luck!